learn how to add collections in strategic roadmaps. Collections allow you to group roadmaps so team members can easily locate and manage all the roadmaps that are related to a common theme or purpose. As a note, collections are only available on professional plans and enterprise plans in strategic roadmaps. To add a collection, you'll go to the Collections section in the left side panel. Once you're there, you'll see a button in the top right that says Add Collection. Click it. Give your collection a name. Optionally, you can enter a description to provide more context around the collection, and then you'll give access to the collection. If you choose the first option, anyone within the Strategic Roadmaps account can access the collection. If you choose Invite Only, this means the collection can only be accessed by invited people. As a note, only administrators and collaborators in strategic roadmaps can create collections. If you're an administrator, you can grant both kinds of access. However, if you're a collaborator, you can only grant invite-only access to a collection. To finalize the creation of your collection, you'll hit Create, and there it is. Collections are groupings of roadmaps, though, so the next step is to add roadmaps to our collection. To add an existing roadmap to the collection, you'll go to the All Roadmaps page, and then check off the roadmaps that you want to add. You'll then click Add to Collection in the blue bar here. In the dropdown, find your specific collection, and then click Save. Now, when we go to our Collections section and find our collection, you'll see that those 5 roadmaps are included. If you want to create a new roadmap directly in the collection, in the top right corner, click Plus Roadmap. The roadmap you create will automatically get added to this collection. To give access to your collection, you'll click the Share button in the top right. You can invite individual users or teams of users in strategic roadmaps to access your collection. I'm going to add the sales team, as well as an individual user. Once you've selected your teams and users, you can then adjust their role within the collection. They can either be a view-only member, a contributor, or a manager of the collection. You'll then click Save to finalize their access. The users will get emails notifying them that they have access to the collection. If you at any point want to delete or adjust your collection name and details, you can use the set of 3 dots next to the collection name and either edit it or delete it from here. You can also easily access your collection by pinning it with this button here. You'll notice once you pin it, it gets added to a section for easy access at the top of the navigation panel. To remove roadmaps from a collection, simply check the box next to the roadmap, click Manage Collections, and then click this button to remove it from the collection. You can also do this in bulk by checking off multiple roadmaps at a time. As a note, you can add portfolio roadmaps to collections as well. If you go to Portfolio Roadmaps and check off the portfolio you want to add, in the top blue bar, you'll click Manage Collections and then select the collection you want to add it to. If you go back to the Collections section again, you can see in your All Collections view that you have some details around each collection that's been created. Your description is here, your members are here, and this also specifies what kind of access this collection has. And then the pin next to the collection name means that you've favorited it. Thanks for watching.